Welcome to East Coast Roofing and Masonry, the name you can trust with over 20 years in the industry. We are based in West Hartford and cover all the areas. Our team of qualified tradesmen can complete masonry, patios, asphalt paving, steps, foundation repair, stone masonry, chimney, concrete masonry, stairs, basement, stucco and plastering. You can be safe knowing that we hold full public liability insurance. All new works are guaranteed. Also, we offer insurance-backed guarantees. We are members of Google, Home Advisor, and Yelp for your complete peace of mind. Once you are happy with our work, we adopt a professional approach to all aspects of our work and pride ourselves on completing projects on time, and of course on budget. If you want a free, no-obligation quotation or just friendly professional advice, contact East Coast Roofing and Masonry.